In front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab 11, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this Lenovo. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down. Now click on System. Following that, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Now you need to tap on Theme section and scroll all the way down. Then click on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available themes. When you're ready, just click on the best one for you. Following that, click on this switcher next to key borders to turn them off or on, and when you're ready, hit Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always access exactly the same settings and customize it by tapping on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!